weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Like yesterday, and pretty much like clockwork, we're seeing showers and thunderstorms develop in certain places, certainly higher elevations where we get a little bit more lift in the atmosphere. Those are the places that are seeing the showers first. But then as we go through the afternoon, we're likely to see more development here over Bowling Green in southern Kentucky like we saw yesterday. The first places that are seeing the shower activity and some thunderstorms now, the Cumberland Plateau, which is just a little bit south of Albany as you head down, say, US 127 or Highway 111 out of Byrdstown down to Livingston, Tennessee. And then further off to the north and west, we're starting to see some development as you head into, say, western Kentucky, especially around the land between the lakes. And there you see some around Paducah down toward Grand Rapids. In that general area, some light rain showers that are moving off to the north and west. As far as temperatures around here, we're seeing mostly upper 70s, low 80s, and cloud cover keeping the temperatures a few degrees cooler than at midday yesterday. So as we go through the afternoon, there will be plenty of heat and plenty of humidity too. And that, of course, we measure with the dew point temperatures, and they're still holding in the mid and upper 60s, near 70 in some cases, maybe not quite as humid as it was at this hour yesterday, but we have less in the way of sun energy breaking through with additional cloud cover that could lessen the coverage of the showers that we're looking at this afternoon. But they're still in the forecast, and even though it looks pretty tame right now, as we look from our Independence Bank weather cam looking down Scottsville Road, you're seeing that mix of clouds and sunshine, filtered sunshine at that. But when you do get a shower, you'll know it. Like yesterday, it's going to be some of those heavy rain producers, some lightning, thunder, and then it moves on, and then the skies begin to clear up a little bit. 79 degrees, current temperature in Bowling Green, a very light, almost calm wind, and the barometer is holding steady at this hour. We check a few AAA Systems weather cams. We go to Munfordville up in Hart County. You're seeing that filtered sunshine. You're at 78 degrees. It's also 78 in Greenville as you're seeing a mainly cloudy sky, a little bit of blue sky there breaking through with some sunshine. 79 in partly to mostly sunny in Glasgow and Barron County at this hour. And Mammoth Cave National Park seeing a day filtered with some sunshine and clouds. 79 is your current temperature. Radar over the last 12 hours showing just very little activity here, but now we're starting to see things ramping up a bit back to the west. That's where the center of that old low pressure system still is sitting there, kind of spinning around, throwing the moisture back our direction. And then here is the leading edge of that cold front, that boundary that is pushing southward now into northern sections of Kentucky. That also will be a focal point for some shower and thunderstorm development this afternoon. You can see this thing pinwheeling around back to our south and west, and the clouds that are being thrown up into Kentucky with those showers and thunderstorms as they develop. 80 degrees right now at the Bowling Green Airport. Most everybody mid to upper 70s to low 80s, and that 80 degrees is just 1 degree shy of where we were at midday yesterday. So here comes our front. It's going to try to push into south central Kentucky this afternoon, and you'll see rapid development of those showers and thunderstorms like we saw yesterday about 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Then it rained a little bit after that. And then as we head after dark, after the sun goes down, everything just fades away, even though the front will still be just a little bit north of Bowling Green. But as we get into Friday morning, the front will start to push through. We'll see some redeveloping showers along and ahead of that front as we go through the morning hours. But I think by tomorrow afternoon, the front will be south of us. A little bit of drier air, maybe less humid air will start to move in. And that goes for Saturday and much of Sunday, too, which should bring down the rain chances for much of the weekend. Warm and humid, scattered showers, thunderstorms, 87. And then for tonight, we'll see at least a chance for another shower, too, 65 under a warm and muggy atmosphere. And then tomorrow, we'll see some showers in the morning, then clearing, 86. A little bit less humid, even though we're going to get up to 87 on Saturday. Much of Sunday should be dry, but then showers return Sunday night. And here we ramp things back up for Monday at 50% with a high of 86. And then a bit unsettled for Tuesday and Wednesday, but still warm. Highs in the mid to upper 80s. We're back with more Midday Live in just a minute.